Someone said they wanted me to make a homemade pizza, so I'm going to do that. So you're going to need 3 cups of flour right here. I know, I'm halfway empty. So let me go ahead and get this flour. Right here. So pour it in a bowl. I'll pour this in this here like this. There's 2. I'm gonna have to get some more flour. I bake cookies, so okay, that's the end of that flour. 3 cups. So what you're gonna need is a teaspoon of salt. I don't even know if this. So a teaspoon of salt, and then you need a cup of water, and you're gonna put your yeast in there. And this is just for the dough. Put your yeast in there. And what I do is I take a fork and I just stir it up like that until it dissolves a little bit. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. 3 tablespoons olive oil. Okay. So what I can do is just flip this up and I can pour it. This is a half a teaspoon or tablespoon. So 1, that makes 1 tablespoon. That makes 2 tablespoons. And 3 tablespoons. And then I'm just going to pour this like this right in there. And then we're just going to mix it up just like this. So I only use 1 hand and I just mix it up real good until it forms into a dough. So that's what it's going to look like. Just a solid dough. So it needs to look like this. See how soft it is? So I'm going to let this sit for 20 minutes while it rises. And I'm going to put this towel over it, okay? Just like that. So we're going to set our timer for 20 minutes. I know, I touched my stove. I will wipe it off. But anyway, I'll be back in 20. You're just going to get some Ragu sauce. That's what I use. You're just going to put this over it. I just use the Ragu Pizza sauce. I do not make my own. And just put that on there like that. Lady bacon on there and the pepperoni. So I'm just going to put the Italian sausage on it. Just a little bit. Like this. This is going to be my husband's side. I didn't get to finish up the recording of the video of the pizza because my phone was acting up. And then my husband was hungry and he was ready to dig in. So here's what's left of the pizza. So I do not use Velveeta cheese, mozzarella cheese, because it does not melt as well as the Kraft. I like Kraft so much better. I don't know what I was thinking when I bought Velveeta, but anyway, guys, I hope this helps. Have a great night.